Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol NAT. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Did this analysis several times last week, so that is where these green line annotations are coming from. But after today's price movement, definitely some updates here need to be made. First thing I'm going to do, though, is a little house cleaning. Go ahead and get rid of this line up there. Sure, that level still pertains, just not really relevant right now. And from a presentation standpoint, I don't want to risk causing clutter and confusion because there's lines all over the place. So let's try to keep this analysis as clean as possible. The first update that needs to be done comes about based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of support are broken and closed below, they tend to act as resistance. And from the, like I said, last week, I talked about this area here right around 555 as an area of support. But now that the price is broken down below it, as the rule states, you would expect it to act as resistance. And that's exactly what happened here. You can see the price broke below it and then struggled with it right there. Once again, bounced back upwards mid-afternoon and got rejected right at that level. So if there is any sort of attempted bounce back to the upside, not necessarily just on Wednesday, but anytime in the foreseeable future, that 555 mark is definitely going to be that first key level that you want to keep an eye on and see if the price can push up through it. If the price can, then at that point, you can turn your attention to the 50-period moving average, which on my chart is denoted up there at that purple line, current value of that at $5.90. As far as levels of support are concerned, for this, got to squeeze down the chart here a little bit because it's been a while since the price has been down this low. But next key level of support to keep a close eye on moving forward, you're going to be right down there at $5.15. So 515, next key area of support, which, I mean, no such thing as a guarantee, but at this point, I don't think anybody would be shocked to see that level now come into play and at least get tested, if not even potentially, move down below that level. So we'll see what happens with it going forward. But yeah, a relatively bearish day today, and we'll see if the bears keep up with this momentum or if the bulls can try to step back up and start to build some power back to the upside. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.